went to Target today and I found these cute little Tsum Tsums. They're supposed to be all the characters as like butterflies or bumblebees. Look at how cute these boxes are. That says Heimlich and Piglet. This one has Pooh and Dale. This one's got Eeyore and Pluto. So they're taped shut. So I gotta try to open it gently because I don't want to ruin the box. The box is really, really cute. Isn't it cute? I'm hoping I can just slice it.
There we go. I think Charlie wants to be in the shot. Charlie!
Always wants to be in the shot.
Charlie! Come here, buddy.
The wings.
Come here. Charlie, come here. Come here, bud. My hair. Charlie!
My hair.
Charlie, come here. Come here. Come up here.
No, leave him be. Oy, this plastic thing. The hook that was on.
Hey, buddy.
Excuse me a moment.
Yeah, Charlie's getting lemons under the tray right now.
Oh, seriously?
What?
Everything's taped shut.
Charlie,
Oh, I don't want to ruin it.
come here.
Seriousness. Don't pull the dog.
Stop pulling him. Charlie, the dog fly.
Pardon me while I take my time and open it slowly.
Now look. Charlie the
First
dog
one.
fly.
Oh my gosh. Let's see. I'm hoping for a mini. Oh. Yay! Mini! First box! Yay! Happy! Happy, happy, happy. Mini, mini, mini. Happy! Me and my mini obsession. Yay! I'm so happy. I don't even have to open the rest of them. No, I'm just kidding. This is going to take forever.
I don't get to open any of them because I opened the Lego thing. Right?
Well, if you let me... Yeah, you let me open the boxes and you can open the foil.
Alright.
These are very, very...
Hi, buddy. Who's a good boy? Come up here. Come here. Come here.
I'm trying to be very gentle because I do like the boxes.
Charlie, come here. Charlie.
Charlie says no.
Charlie, come here.
Charlie says no.
Charlie.
Charlie says no. Oh my god, these are like glued together like this. Number 2!
Eh.
There you go. There you go. Oops. Here.
I don't need scissors.
Oh, you're just special. This is the Piglet Heimlich box. Minnie was in the Pooh Dale box. What do you think it is?
I don't know.
Spring's finally here! It actually hit 60 the past couple of days.
Yay!
Yay! Spring in New England finally!
So what actually makes up in New England now?
What actually?
Massachusetts,
Maine, New Hampshire, Vermont, Connecticut,
New York?
and Rhode Island.
No, New York?
No, New York.
No, Pennsylvania?
No, Pennsylvania. Are you just going to roll it around in the foil or are you going to open it? I thought you said you didn't need a scissor. Oh.
Who said I grabbed the scissors?
You did, because I could see it.
I ain't grabbed the scissors.
Young Squire grabbed the scissors. And this is the...
Yeah! Donald!
Oh my god! That's 2 for 2! Oh, he's a little bunny.
You're
Are
funny.
these like Easter ones?
Maybe.
Maybe. It didn't really say it was Easter. Butterflies, bunnies, and maybe bumblebees. The middle is bumblebees. Does that look what the middle is? Bumblebees?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, give me the scissors for
And then
this
you
one.
said I opened it.
You did open one.
Well, I thought you said I opened it both.
No, I said one. Aww. Can you guess what it is?
Tigger.
It is a bumblebee one.
Huh.
So it's a middle.
Chip.
Nope.
Mickey.
Nope.
Winnie the Pooh.
Yup. Bees. Oh, these
We got
are
one of each.
one of each. Oh, these are so cute.
Do you think we could pull the wings off?
I hope not. I don't know. Can you? Yeah, you can. Donald's ears are off. That's super cute. I love it, but I'm not going to take Minnie's. Minnie's staying as a butterfly. Minnie. Oh, I'm so glad I got a mini one. I got pins today, too. Yeah, you could do a shout out, even though he never subscribed.
So, because he kept asking, shout out to Javian.
Javian! I'm back.
Wait, pin mail?
Pin mail.
Okay. So yeah, shout out to Javian because he kept asking.
Yeah, even though he didn't subscribe, Javian. Pin mail. Boop. This is a series of mini pins. Big surprise. Ooh, this is taped really good. How was school today?
Good.
Went back to school after vacation. That's a thing here in Massachusetts. This is the one I love the most out of this set. Oh no, it's taped. Oh no, they're all in the bag. Okay. And it's taped. Alright. So this is a set I got off of eBay. Boopy. They're all mini. It's Minnie with Figaro, her cat. Is that her cat, Figaro? Okay.
Well, besides Pinocchio.
Oh yeah. This is my favorite. Minnie has a car. Meet. I love that one. It is really cute, Minnie. Boop. And then Minnie and Mickey in a hug. Cute! And then this one is a double, so I will put this in my special trade pile. We're not off French Mini. Fashion French Mini. So that's today. Doo-doo-doo! And spring is here. Want to say anything else? Wow. Okay. So that is our special unboxing and unbagging for today. And now we're going to go outside and play.
We are?
Yeah.
I was going to rearrange my room.
Well, you can rearrange. I'm going to go out and play. Bye. You say bye? You say bye?
Bye.
Bye-bye.